Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. Well, today is Friday and on Fridays I like to do either a tip or a technique. I have a great tip to share with you today. You're really going to enjoy this one. So this here is the Banner Triple Punch. And this punch is great. It actually, you push your cardstock in and it flags off the end. And that it's fun. You don't have to try and fussy cut and make sure you get a good flag. So sometimes you do a card and you don't know how big you need to make the flag. So I've got a great tip to share with you today. This one I decided not to flag it, but I could have. So my tip for today is, so when you're trying to decide how big you want your flag and you don't quite know, you are going to take this piece, you're going to decide how big you want your flag. So say you want your flag this big, or you want it this big. You're going to line this piece up that you just flagged off. You're going to take your paper snips, cut that end off. So now when you go and you put this into your punch and you flag that off, you know that that was the size that you wanted to make your flag. Really cool. This punch here is called the Tailored Tag Punch, and this is actually a bundle called the Truly Tailored, and it's really awesome, you guys. It's all like masculine, true gentleman suite. Love this suite. But this punch here, I just discovered that if you do not have this punch and you want to make a flag, you still can. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your piece, you're going to line it up in here, just try and get a good grip, and you're going to flag it off. Super cool. So if you don't have this punch, you can use this punch to flag off your ends. You're just going to decide, okay, right there. How cool is that? So I hope you found today's tip useful. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you are in the US and you're interested in purchasing any of the Stampin' Up! Products I used today, I will have them linked in the description below. I also will have a detailed description over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, and I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.